Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I have this crazy video here. It's called Girl Lies Dash Cam Saves Me. This is why you need a dash cam if you're going to be an Uber driver. But before we get started with the video, if you haven't checked out Solo, we have a link down below in the description. If you use that link to sign up, you'll get $10 sent to you for free. It's a business app for gig workers and rideshare drivers, and they basically help you get guaranteed pay. They can help with taxes. They have a lot of really amazing features to help you make more money doing rideshare gig work. So be sure to check that out, link down below in the description. Alright guys, let's get started with the video.
Most people aren't out here trying to hurt others, but this ride is a perfect example of the lengths people will go when they are trying to get themselves out of a mess they made, and how quickly things can escalate when someone is willing to lie. This was a typical late night Uber ride. The girl was hammered, and in a moment I'll find out the hard way just how drunk she was. But before I do that, I'm gonna make a mistake. Like a lot of towns, the one we're in was a big grid, and when that happens, sometimes the GPS confuses the roadways with the alleyways. And in this instance, the GPS looked like it wanted me to turn down this creepy dark alley. Now you can save the gender politics for the classroom. In the real world, as a male with a drunk female that I don't know in my car, I'm gonna err to the side of not driving down a creepy ass alley at 2 in the morning. So I went past it thinking the GPS would correct to the main road, and it never did. Wait, was I supposed to go up an alley or something?
Oh, good. Thank you.
I can back up if you want. You sure? Alright. Yeah, sorry, that was, I felt bad, but again, if she wants to get out, the last thing I'm gonna do is force a woman to stay in my car when she doesn't want to. And it's not like we were in a bad neighborhood, as you'll see. The only thing she needed protection from was herself. You sure you're alright? Alright. Oh! Holy smokes. Hold on.
Oh god, that didn't sound good.
This chick, with her key in her hand, went to close the door, missed the door, and swiped that key right across the back panel of my car. So there I am with a brand new scratch on my vehicle, and a drunk girl who knows she did it, but doesn't want to admit it.
Tell me right now. Tell me right now. Just definitely go in, hit the triple like whatever. Like, if you want to tell me, I get there. Right now.
Part of Uber taking 25% of every fare is that they're supposed to handle situations like this. Last thing I want to do is end up arguing with a drunk chick on a dark road at 2 in the morning. I don't know exactly how that would go, but I know it's not a winning situation for me. So I know all I need to do is report this to Uber, and I'll fill you in on how wonderful they treated me after the fact. But as for now, my MO is just to get this chick away from my car. I was trying to coax her to come to the conclusion of it's time to go by herself, but she would not leave.
Tell me that right now.
I don't know what you want.
And you're like, I definitely like this. And I think we can get like, leave that, like, okay. But that's definitely not me, so. That's something to like kind of gas.
Here's what I tried to put in with the thing.
That's like so far away from like your door. Are you kidding? Like, that's so far away from your door.
I mean, I'll be honest, I have it on camera, I have a dash cam, and I know it happened. You tried to close the door, and you should have drunk and you missed it, and you fell into my car. Alright?
Just calling her out on the spot.
Well, that's just so big of you, sweetheart, but you taking responsibility does not get the scratches off of my car! I was trying my best to avoid saying that it's always a bit precarious when you tell a drunk Uber rider you're going to report them to Uber. Yeah, I know.
Like, drop me off where I said I was wondering to be looking for.
You might think I overreact here, but when she said that, that told me she was ready to lie her way out of this situation. The way I see it, lies are like seeds. It starts small, but if it takes, it can grow real big. And that's especially true in a situation like this.
Like, drop me off where I said I was wondering to be.
Imagine if a cop showed up and she told him I was taking her somewhere she didn't want to go.
True.
What does that say? sounds like it. Who do you think he's gonna believe? A damsel in distress or a raggedy Uber driver? Truth is, in the moment, I wasn't sure if the camera was on, and even if it was, I didn't know if it could see or hear what happened. But all it takes is the possibility of the truth to put a liar in a panic.
Like, drop me off where I said I was running to be with like a parent.
Again, I have it on camera. I said I was in the alley.
Yeah, no.
You told me to let you out.
Yeah,
You actually
that's fine.
So,
Yeah,
so
that's fine.
don't say that. Okay, I'm trying to be nice to you, and you're turning this up. Okay? So.
Okay, if I'm the one turning it up, then we fine.
Okay.
Thank God for the dash cam. I reported the incident to Uber, and in so many words, they told me to fool myself. Moral of the story, life's not fair, but if you try your best, do what's right, and know the truth, the scratches that are still on your car to this day don't look so bad. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yeah, so that's pretty unfortunate. Good thing he had a dash cam. This is why you need a dash cam, guys. If you're gonna be an Uber or Lyft driver, you always wanna have that evidence so you don't get deactivated. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what you would do in this situation. Anyways, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.